could I have not seen the world that has gone so dry around me? And how could I have not known the millions without when I am drowning? And how could I not hear the footsteps of the children walking to a river that's run dry? They seek the waters but they hide. Children saying it's time for rain. Not the cause yet, not the helper. The drought is in our hearts to love our neighbor. Pollution, disease, taking the lives of innocent babies. And how do we think the women feel when the jars that they carry are empty inside? Their crowns of glory lost their shine. Women saying it's time for rain. Take their stand. Hear them crying. Are you thirsty? Those who are thirsty, is your heart beating?